Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. If this general reading resonates with you, well and good. Otherwise, you can check out your moon sign and rising sign reading as well. So let's start and see what are the messages for the upcoming month, July. Okay, nice card. Ace of Cups, Page of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Temperance, Knight of Swords, Six of Cups, Four of Wands, Four of Swords, and then I have Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so bottom of the deck, Magician. Okay, so spread is looking really nice and the beginning of the spread is also very charming. Situation is about something which is love, a relationship. Though I didn't set any sort of intention that the reading will be about the relationship, it's my intention was that the reading will be open, and I will try to discuss both sides in one reading, whether you are dealing with someone special or you are having some sort of financial or career related interest to see this reading. So there is something going on in Capricorn's life, and someone, either Capricorn is presenting this cup of love to some other person, or Capricorn themselves receiving this cup from someone. Right now the situation or the difficulty in the situation is that I feel there is some sort of reluctancy or some sort of lack of communication in between the two people. This is not someone new in your life. I can see that I have card over here with Six of Cups, that the person might have might be your old friend, old buddy, old partner, anything. But right now there is something that has made you a bit angry at some point, and things, if things will be proceeding in the same manner, maybe you will be showing your aggression till the end of the month as well, or maybe this is the other way around. What I can see over here, that in deep past or maybe months ago, situation wasn't clear between you and the other person, and emotions and feelings are blocked due to certain reason. This reason is most probably financial, due to some sort of you can say lack of finances, lack of income, lack of money. You might not be able to speak the truth about the relationship, about your emotions, and the relationship or the connection was kind of stuck to some point. But from previous month most probably, or maybe till the middle of the July, there is a possibility of having some sort of fast communication between the two guys, between the two of you. This communication is again making you guys able to connect romantically with each other, but I feel that you seriously need to focus on becoming or choosing a slower approach rather than moving this much fast, because on one hand your communication, your speed is this much fast. This is one of the fastest cards of the tarot, and on the other hand someone coming upon you in a very irrationally fast speed. So both sides either Capricorn or the other person, or both of you are simply just rushing towards each other. With this card, I feel there is some sort of negativity attached with the situation as well, and you seriously need to be more conscious and you need to take some sort of precautions. Try to calm down everything, try to calm your communication down as well. Basically, the patience and the slow pace will be the key to success over here. This is some sort of situation where a money matter is becoming a hindrance in between some committed or going to be a committed relationship. Maybe due to the finances, one of you is not opening up, and one of you is not talking to the other person or telling to the other person how much he or she is feeling about the connection. There is someone who will be getting too much work after most probably mid July, and the person will be remain busy in the working scenario, or maybe just trying to complete their job in time. I feel the situation is asking you to remain calm and conscious about this feeling that you need to give time to the other person to get establish yourself. This can be true in a sense that if you are a cross watcher and you are dealing with a Capricorn, and Capricorn is trying to establish themselves financially, now you have to be calm and you have to be consoling in this situation. Don't try to get too harsh, don't try to expect too much, because they are just simply trying to get enough money so that you guys can enjoy a good life, or they will be able to give you good luxuries or something like that. Overall situation is not that distressful or disturbing. The only thing which I really want to emphasize is you need to control your language, you need to control your tone, you need to control your words, because as things are looking very speedy over here in the middle and the second half of the July, that can turn into a bit not the disaster, but that can turn into a bit negative thing, and you might end up like a single person. Okay, because over here I have cards with this 8 of Cups and 3 of Cups and Justice. So cards are telling me that if you won't be trading carefully, and if you won't be trading light over here, that situation can turn into a negative thing or into a negative behavior, or maybe you seriously need to see the limitations of the other person as well. I have this feeling that this situation is going on, this money situation is going on with Capricorns, and they are not able to give their person enough time and attention, and that is why their person has becoming this much closed. That is why they have Capricorns have this sort of fear as well, that they don't understand how they should behave in this whole silent behavior, or how they should react or respond to this silent behavior. And the only key over here is patience. Patience, slow movement, especially after especially first 2 weeks of July, when Mercury is not in a good position, and on the 1st July it will be totally combust and conjunct with Sun. So these are not the days to communicate. One should remain very much careful about the communication in these days. So this was the reading for Capricorn. I hope you would like this. Give me some sort of feedback on this. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.